In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take advantage of the subscription plans available on Ubersuggest, an incredibly powerful SEO tool designed to help you optimize your website's performance. This step-by-step guide will ensure you understand how to navigate through the plans and choose the one that best fits your needs. To get started, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Ubersuggest website. You can do this by typing in ap.neilpatel.com in the address bar and pressing enter. Once you arrive on the homepage, you'll be greeted by a well-designed interface that allows you to explore various features of the tool. As you familiarize yourself with the dashboard, look for the plans and pricing section. This is typically found in the menu at the top of the page. Clicking on this will take you to a detailed overview of the available subscription options. Here, you can explore the different plans Ubersuggest offers, each tailored for different needs, whether you're an individual, a small business, or a larger organization. It's important to take a moment to read through what each plan entails so you get the best understanding of the services and features provided at each level. Now, as you sift through these plans, identifying which one might be best for you involves considering your specific requirements. Think about factors like the number of projects you manage, your budget, and the features you find most important. There's a plan suitable for varying scales, from basic to advanced tools, allowing you to run SEO analysis, track keywords, and more. Make a mental list of your priorities and see which plan aligns with them. For those who are uncertain about which plan to go for, Ubersuggest makes it easy to compare them side by side. By clicking on Compare Plans, you can view a detailed matrix that showcases the differences in features and price points among the subscriptions. This comparison feature is incredibly handy when narrowing down your options, allowing you to see the benefits of each plan at a glance. Choosing the right plan can significantly influence your work, enhancing productivity and effectiveness in SEO efforts. Once you've made your choice, simply click to select your preferred plan and follow the prompts to subscribe. You will typically need to add your payment information for the subscription process, so ensure you have those details ready. And there you have it. Navigating Ubersuggest's plans and pricing section empowers you to make an educated decision tailored to your specific needs, ensuring you leverage the full potential of this powerful SEO tool to boost your website's performance and online visibility.